Hello everyone, I'm back in Norwich, got my new place here. I moved in about a week ago, 6 days to be exact, and I thought I would show you a little tour of my new place. So there we go, let me show you around. Okay, so we've switched to the GoPro camera. So here we go, this is the front door. This is the hallway. The stairs leading up to my room. And shoe rack, coat rack, which is the first time I've noticed that's there, so that's helpful. I will be using that later to hang my hoodie. We're into the kitchen. Nice big window here. We have the fridge. Oh, tripping out a little bit. So this is the fridge and the freezer. Simple. The cooker and the oven and grill. Here we have the sink, and what we got? We've got the toaster and the kettle, good old microwave, and the all-important dishwasher. So yeah, that's the kitchen. This is my cupboard. I've already bought a few things like eggs and some fruit, bits and pieces. Okay, going through here. There's me. Hello, hello. Oh, so here's the downstairs bathroom. I've left the light on. Yeah, toilet, sink. Nothing much to say. And here is the living room with the big TV, the sofa here and sofa here. Drinks cabinet here. So I might be diving into that a bit later, maybe. We just have the dining table here and a piano, which I don't know how to play, but I mean, I'm not sure my housemate does either. I think it was the previous housemate slash landlord. So yeah, here is the garden. Nice table and chairs there. A shed over in the corner there. A little, well, quite a big barbecue actually, just there, which hopefully we will get to enjoy during the summer. Okay, now we'll make our way upstairs. Well, here it's just kind of like the dumping ground. There's a dryer for the clothes. Oh, there was a washing machine in here under the sink. That's where you wash, you know, your clothes and your bed sheets, etc. So as we go up the stairs, here is the bedroom of my housemate Grace. She is moving out in about 1 week, 10 days maybe. So yeah, she's living there now, but she will leave. Here we have the second bathroom. So we've got the bath and the shower. Obviously the toilet and the sink. There's me again, hello. Towel rack. So yeah. And then here we are in my room. Sorry, I should have I should have made the bed and cleaned up a little bit before filming, but I didn't, and now I just get to show you everything as it is. So yeah, here's the bed, unmade. It's fine. There's my laundry, my wardrobe, and my laundry basket, which is it's quite full now because I had washing from traveling from Thailand, and then I went back home to the house that I have in Beaufort to collect some bits and pieces. So yeah, there's the wardrobe, my little chest of drawers with Taylor, lovely Taylor. So yeah, here's just my chest of drawers, my socks and pants and shorts, and the miscellaneous cables, controllers, speakers, keys, spare mouse pad, spare glasses, just lots of random stuff. Here is my view. So yeah, got some nice trees out the front, more trees than I saw in entire of the center of Chiang Mai, which was where I was living before, if you didn't know. And here is my desk with my laptop and my monitor. So yeah. Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, that is my room. Not too bad. Not quite the same as having your own apartment in Chiang Mai like I did. And the rent, how much I pay, is about over twice, nearly 3 times as much, 2.5. But I get to be at home in Norwich where the weather isn't boiling, and I get to walk around feeling comfortable. So that's a bonus. And then here, this is Paul's room. He is my housemate and landlord. I won't go up there because he's not in, and I think it would be a bit rude to go up and film and poke around in his room. So I haven't really seen his room yet. As I said, I've only been here 6 days, so still getting to know my housemate, still getting to know Paul. So trying to be respectful. So yeah, that is it for my house. You'll be getting more updates as I settle down into life back in Norwich. All right, anyway, see you in the next one. Bye.